New at 6, a nonprofit agency accuses Google of invading students' privacy through their Chromebooks. School districts across the country.
Chromebooks are becoming a staple in schools across the country. The laptops are relatively affordable and require little infrastructure in schools, making them highly appealing to administrators. But is there a hidden cost to the students that use them? A series of lawsuits and complaints are questioning Google's handling of student data. In this 20-page court filing, the state of Mississippi claims that the Google Corporation, despite its expressed assurances, currently follows and tracks students' activity, collects the information, and uses the data for advertising purposes. This comes nearly 2 years after Google said in a statement they would end the process of scanning students' Gmail accounts to collect or use student data for advertising. The student accounts at the center of the Attorney General's case are part of the G Suite for Education, a Google information system in hundreds of schools throughout public districts nationwide, including Palm Beach County.
We're the school district with the most number of Google certified educators in the world. Each of those trailblazers are receiving a Chromebook cart filled with Chromebooks to integrate technology with their students in their class.
See, Chromebooks run off of Chrome OS, an operating system owned by Google, where all files are linked with a Google account and stored online in the company's data centers. When asked for comment, a Google spokesperson told me there are no ads in G Suite for Education services, and they have no plan in the future to include them. They, quote, have always been firmly committed to keeping student information private and secure.
All to anybody out there that has information on how Google has done illegal acts, I'm trying to reach out to
This summer, Google motioned for the Mississippi lawsuit to be dismissed, citing a proper jurisdiction. But the state Supreme Court denied the request, ruling the case could be tried in court. Meanwhile, the tech giant's compliance with federal regulations has been challenged by digital privacy group Electronic Frontier Foundation, or EFF. Now, under the Family Education Rights and Privacy Act, generally schools must have written permission from the parent or eligible student in order to release any information from a student's education record, with some noted exceptions. In a 2017 report, the EFF says some school districts use an exemption in the act as a loophole to give Google protected student information without parental consent, information such as a student's date of birth, legal name, and student number. For their part, Google says their G Suite core services are compliant with the Family Educational Rights and Privacy Act. An official from the school district of Palm Beach County did not immediately respond to our request for comment.